coming here for about almost 2 years now. I've been able to meet a lot of amazing people. I've learned a lot from everybody. So I'm very grateful for Steve and Casey for putting this event together. I'm an active real estate investor. I invest in fix and flips here in the Los Angeles area. I also invest in rental properties using the BRRRR strategy. I'm very passionate about helping people get into real estate investing, showing them how to do that. So especially, newer investors or aspiring investors. So if it's something, if you're thinking of getting into real estate, let's connect to help you get started. I also host 2 networking events. One of them is in Studio City, one is in the Pasadena area. The one in Studio City is next week on Tuesday. It's usually the last Tuesday of every month. The one in Pasadena is the first Tuesday of every month. They're both at 6:30 p.m. I left some flyers on the tables for the Studio City event. Again, it's at the Laurel Tavern. Just come. The only requirement is, to support the location by purchasing either like a meal or a drink.